So welcome back to the Revenue Station. In this video, I will tell you how you can make money online by providing your services as a statistical data analyst. As I am providing statistical data analysis services from 5 years. Today, I will share some platform where I work as a statistical data analyst and providing the services of same course that I am teaching you on my YouTube channel. That's statistical data analysis by using RStudio, SPSS, Python, Tableau, and RStudio. So we will learn how we can make money online by using our statistical data analysis services. First platform is Fiverr. I have opened my Fiverr profile. Here you can see, and actually I am using 4 to 5 Fiverr accounts with my team. So here you can see that here you will search RStudio, and you will see all the profiles related to the RStudio. Here you can see that the people are earning here is level 1, level 2, level 1, level 2, and starting price is 6,000, 5,000, and these are some profiles that I am showing you. So this is the first platform where people are earning as a statistical data analyst by providing the RStudio services. Say if I search here Python or SPSS, you can see many profiles. Here I search Python, and I am teaching in Python. So I will click here. Here you can see that many people are providing services of the data analysis by using Python. Here you can see level 1 top rated, many are top rated too. Here, so let me show you some profiles relevant to SPSS too. You can make account on Fiverr. I have also provided a complete course of the Fiverr. Here you can click this, and here you will see many profiles related to the SPSS. Related from nursery transport. Here you can see many profiles there to the SPSS. So in guys, some is the first platform Fiverr where you can provide that you the analysis and you can earn money online. And there is not any saturation in this field, no saturation. So it was the first platform. Let me show you second platform, that is Upwork. Here is Upward, yes. Here you can see the guys. Many people are here. First of all, I will go to talent and will show you our studio. First, I will show you by relevant to the art because I have completed teach you also. They will say you can see that this person providing our studio and top rated, and she is also providing us with $1,000+ she has earned below. Yeah, $4,000+ she has earned from our studio, and they have 1,000+ she has earned as a total RStudio 2,000, and so these are some profiles relevant to the art studio. So here I will also show you for profile relevant to the XSS. Let me show you SPSS, and we'll see some file that are providing services of the SPSS. Here you can see that PhD that analyst SPSS expert $10,000. Oh wow, she has earned, and there's $6,000 by providing SPSS the most smart data services. So you can see that $1,000, $9,000, and $100+1,000, more than almost 3 crore. We have unmembered that just SPSS and RStudio services. So guys must watch my complete course if you want also want online. Okay, this is what freelancing platform, but it is very hard and competition freelancing platform to get clients. So I am going to show you some social media accounts where you can also find clients. First of all, I will show you LinkedIn. Here you can make your LinkedIn profile, and then after making a LinkedIn profile, you can also get clients from LinkedIn. How you will get clients on the LinkedIn? Simply you have to join the different groups on LinkedIn, same page group by name freelancing group or data analysis group or getting creating groups or data science group. You have to join these groups. So where you can post your portfolio, where you can post your sample work and you can hunt client. So first let me show you Facebook group. Here I open a group Facebook statistics help. Here you can see that there are a number of posts relevant to the statistics, and here people are hiring and also sharing their expertise. You should get almost 70 to 80 groups where you should daily upload your samples, and there you can find different clients and the statistical data analysis clients. This was the third, a fourth platform where you can hunt talent as a certificate attendees. But you should have, there are two methods you can work. First, you should have a team and you should work as a manager or middle person. Second, you can work as an expert by providing lessons. Where I offer this. It is actually learning for me. So before open LinkedIn, I also show you some other platforms where you can make portfolios or profiles. These are freelancing platforms and other platforms. I show you where you can make portfolio and provide services as a statistical data analyst. I will show you some platform. Here, yes, wait, wait, yes, here. Here are some platform. First platform, Upwork, where you can provide these services. Freelancer, Fiverr, top 10 people for all. These are five best platforms. And for remote and part-time job, we work remotely, remote workers, flex jobs, where you can work can free. Next, teaching and content creation, you can record a course after watching my video like Udemy, YouTube, Teachable or if you have come from say you wanted an SEO for courses directly. Capital and the bonus they start a LinkedIn profile here you can also make. These are different freelancing platforms where you can also sell your courses. So these are the some platforms where you can easily provide your services on the freelancing platform. So these platforms I want to show you. So first of all, you should like have a clear roadmap. You should know basic concepts of the stat. What is basic stats, descriptive stat, biostat, and make what median and what is calculation, why should you do what are the variables you should know in detail. Then you should master how to do SSS, Python, and as well as German software. So these four software, after if you want advanced level, you can learn value, data, and use too. So then these are the some platform where you can make money online. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also comment if you have any questions. If you want to learn, please subscribe my channel. I have already uploaded Python and all video course on my YouTube channel, and soon I will go to the one SSS course.